Hey, ladies and gents, Stu is here with a look at the Aztec Guard Warrior and some of the new parts in this amazing new figure. These are prototype pieces. So you can see all the components of the tail, and then the new painted torso, the two heads.
I also glanced through this room.
And then look at this. This is what makes it extra special. This very Aztec influence Eagle Warrior costume. That's what it looks like taken apart, with of course these beautifully painted feathers and red, turquoise, quetzal green, and then here are the colors that Sherry used to paint this guy up. It's just a tour de force, a beautiful figure. Don't see how it could be made any better. Yeah. So feast your eyes. The majuelo with the obsidian blades. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I think this is going to be a bendy. Wicked. Totally cool. This is signing out.